is going on, guys? This is your boy Jawad back with another video. As you can see, I'm sitting in the Z, just so you guys know that I'm not lying. So let me just set the camera down here for a sec. Okay, I think we're good. So yes, I do own a Nissan 370Z 2017, and I haven't owned it for too long, so the mod list isn't long right now. But one of the things that I have done is a muffler delete. Now, before you haters come after me, let me explain. So based on where the car is at right now and what my plans are for the future, I was just looking for something that sounded more like a sports car. If you guys have heard a stock 370Z, you'll hear that it's pretty quiet. Driving around, you actually hear more engine noise than actual exhaust note, and I think that no one will disagree that having a nice exhaust note on a sports car is pretty much a must. So as you guys will see in the video, it's basically just two pipes running back from the stock exhaust system, no muffler at all. And I have to say that cold starts are a bit loud for about the first 30 seconds or so, and it is loud in the higher RPM range. But considering that any aftermarket exhaust system will sound loud in the higher RPM range and during a cold start, I think that this is a pretty good option for someone that's looking for a bit more sound. In terms of installation, super easy. I guarantee there are 4 bolts and 2 hangers that you got to deal with, and that's it. I used car ramps. You can, if you have a jack, if you got jack stands, jack up the rear end only. You might have to fight with the bolts a bit and fight with the hangers a bit, but other than that, super easy install. So cruising around town or even cruising on the highway doing 120 kilometers an hour, it's actually not that loud, and it's very much bearable. Now I will say that around the, I would say 2500 to 3000 RPM, you get this fluttering sound, and I'll try to show it in this video. But my theory is that that sound is coming from the difference in diameter in terms of the piping, and also it could be due to the material. So the short tills, as they call it, are stainless steel, 2.5 inch diameter. The stock system is just probably regular steel, and I believe it's around 1.8 inches in diameter. That's just my theory, but the fluttering sound kind of dies away after the car has warmed up. So not a major issue, and again, for what I paid for these short tails and what I was looking for, it's definitely worth it in my opinion. that's the fluttering sound I was talking about. That's around, I would say around 2,000 to 2,500 RPMs. Definitely more noticeable in traffic. And it does start to get a bit loud at the 4,000 RPM mark, all the way to redline. So for reference, that was second gear. So how much did it cost? You might be wondering. $300 Canadian. Now, considering that a full catback exhaust system will cost you, you know, brand new of course, will cost you around $1,500 to $2,000 Canadian. I think that this is definitely something worth it. Again, if you're looking for just something that sounds a bit better, of course, you know, performance-wise, yeah, you do need to get a full catback, and that is my plan, you know, in the next few months. But for now, this sounds awesome. I will leave a link in the description below. I'm definitely curious to know what you guys think about a muffler delete on a Z. So comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe. I got a lot more videos to come. I'm gonna take you along with this journey for this Z build. So stay tuned for more videos. Again, thank you for watching. As always, I will see you guys in the next one.